Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix TikTok when it's not working on your TikTok app. You will just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window here and this is window, and you just go down, then you click here on apps and you come to apps window and you have just go down to looking for TikTok app here and this is window. You just keep going down here to find TikTok and you click here on TikTok and you come to next window here like you say. You just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage, then you come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache, then you click here on clear data, and you just go to turn off your phone and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do, and it's going to work with you. Just follow this is ways, and you go to success with this is way. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.